Hello, this is Peggy Healy Stearns, lead designer for FabMaker Studio. Today's FabMaker quick tips are on morphing designs with edit points. Edit points, sometimes called control or anchor points, let you morph or change the outline of shapes and line objects. To use edit points, select the gray arrow in the upper left. Edit points appear on shapes and line objects. Select and drag any point to move it. Click or tap anywhere on the line segment to add a new edit point. To delete an edit point, select it and, when it enlarges, select Delete or the trash can. Curved shapes have edit points too. Move, add, and delete edit points the same way. Edit points on curved objects have handles. Drag the handle in a circular direction to change the shape of the curve. Drag the handle in or out to change the length of the line segment. Experiment. Objects you create with the Lines tool also have edit points. Move, add, and delete edit points the same way. Select the gray arrow again to turn off edit points. So, tips for morphing designs with edit points. Select the gray Edit Points arrow. Drag edit points to move them. Click or tap a line segment to add a new edit point. To delete an edit point, select it and then select Delete or Trash. Use handles on edit points to control curves. Using edit points is an easy, fun, and powerful way to create unique and imaginative designs. Play around, have fun,